Okay, so we can quickly extend this idea to also find the minimum. Alright, so I'm going to create another variable called minimum, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say the minimum is data 0. Alright, and the thought process is the same. If any value is smaller than the current minimum, then that becomes the new minimum. Alright, so using the same loop, I can say that if any data I happens to be smaller than what I assume to be the minimum, then the minimum will become that data. Alright, so it's exactly the same thought process, exactly the same thought process as max that we're going to apply to the min. So I can print out the minimum value here. Okay, so let's run the code here. Okay, I'm going to key in some values, 34, 12. Alright, so you can see that from the data that is captured, the maximum value is 78 and the minimum value is 12. Alright, so again, these are just common things that we tend to look for in an array of data: the maximum, the minimum, and sometimes average, and so on. Okay, so as long as you know how to use loops to access the data, you will find that all of this is relatively easy to do. Alright, once you know this idea, this concept of using loops with arrays. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.